today we'll be talking about the difference between cough syrups and when you should use which cough syrup. The first we'll be talking about are the mucolytics. So you use mucolytic cough syrups when you're having a wet cough, right? They help break down this mucus so you can easily cough them out. Examples are the cough syrup that has bromhexine and carbocistine in it, which includes the types of nazodine and Bromex elixir. Okay, so the good thing about this cough syrup is you can easily tell when your cough is infected by the color of the mucus you cough out. So the second type we'll be talking about are the cough suppressants. Right, cough suppressants, they help when you're having dry and unproductive cough, or when you are constantly having the urge to cough. Okay, cough syrups like this, they have Dextromethorphan or Diphenhydramine in it. So examples are the types of one cough. This has Dextromethorphan in it, and then cough flat. This has Diphenhydramine in it. Okay. So the third types of cough syrups are the expectorants. So you use expectorants when you feel as if there's a mucus in your chest. Okay, they work by helping to expel this mucus from your chest. An example of this cough syrup are cough syrups that has Guaidenesin and Diphenhydramine in it. So the good thing about Diphenhydramine is that it helps reducing the thickness of the mucus, which would also help expel this mucus from your chest. Diphenhydramine is also very good for catarrh, although it can also make you drowsy. Okay, so in case you don't see any cough syrups like the ones I just showed, you can ask your pharmacist for cough syrup recommendations for the type of cough you're having. The best thing you can do is share this post. You never know who you might be helping with this. Follow this page to get more health related